right back. Keep lying. Just keep lying. Keep lying. Keep lying, bro. This dirty system here, man.
Get that big camera on you.
Oh, huh?
Get the camera on you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Man,
So, I got a cop committing a felony, man, falsifying the full report.
Some stuff in this garage.
Did 2 months, man. Got felonies. No law enforcement.
What is it? Okay. No, hold it out, please. Yeah, thank you.
And still trying to go forward.
Today St. Patrick's
Here or is there?
No, there's
All right, man. Thanks.
my goddamn life, man, because of a fucking cop lying.
Hey, I know you're upset.
Bro, you don't understand the thing. But it ain't all, man. It's like, you know, everyone's seeing this and turning their back. Like, how do you sit there and watch a man go through this and just be like, oh, it's all right? Doing your jobs, man, ruining people's lives for recognition. Type of crap.
Hello, Moto.
So who's the one that said we have to access our stuff by coming up here, our files that have been filed online? Who said that on the phone?
I'm sorry?
I called up here and someone said that I cannot access my files online.
You can see what's filed, but they don't show the images.
I wouldn't be able to see my images.
Well, civil records is the only one
That
they
federal
don't.
courthouse right there will do it. I can see everything I file. Well, watch out now, you're live right now, okay? That federal courthouse, I can pull every document up and look at it. So what's that federal law compared to state law?
I am not an attorney. I don't read all the
Okay,
laws.
well, I mean,
We
federal
just file
right,
the paperwork.
it doesn't matter. You're supposed to access any form of documentation. I need to see my documents that have been
Hello,
filed.
Moto.
I've gotten copies of it.
I want to see that. I want to see proof that they've been put in the system.
When you pull up on the
Why can't I do it at home?
You can.
I've just tried
Go
to.
to Greenville. You can't see the actual document.
But I want to,
You can see
right now, I want to
the
see the document. What y'all are trying to do to me is heinous. What I have on everybody right now is heinous. I need my documents to show me right now that it's been put in the system.
Mr. Robinson.
Ma'am.
We've got the assistant clerk of court coming to talk to you. So she's coming right.
Like, this ain't cool, man. Y'all know what you're doing.
When you get a paper from us that has the clock date on it, that shows that we've.
That don't mean nothing to me. What I've learned now, but that don't mean nothing. I want to see it's in the system.
Well, Sandra will be here in a minute, and you can talk to her. Okay?
Man, y'all are some dirty players. So I want to show you. Well, I'm not gonna pull it up. I made a video earlier, and I put my video right next to me and you talking. side by side doing that motion. When I get there, nothing's in the system.
There's no,
There ain't nothing.
I just checked it.
My people back home are doing this.
Listen, I just checked it, because when they said you had called.
But still, I want to see exactly what I put online. I don't care what you say. I want to see that it is put in the system.
Okay, you can look right
I don't care about numbers y'all write.
No, sir. I
And y'all trying to put me in prison because of a cop committing a felony
No, sir. Yes, I have nothing to do
that
with
falsified a report immediately.
And I entered it, it's.
Y'all deny me my rights coming in here to file before already? I mean, I have video of that. I have recording of the woman back there saying I cannot file anything with the clerk of court.
Okay, she's coming.
You know, my daughter disappeared over a year ago. I haven't heard her voice or seen her face in over a year. Imagine if your children disappeared.
Okay, what do we?
I want proof. Physical proof that my files have been filed. I want pictures of your computer screen. I want everything showing this. I don't care about numbers upon saying what's in the system.
Okay, what do you think? But let's go back. Tell me what you're wanting.
First of all, I tried to file evidence with the clerk of court a long time ago, and the woman back there told me I can't.
Okay.
That's a lie, and I recorded her violate my civil rights.
Okay.
Okay, and now I've come in here yesterday. She told me how to access my stuff online. I called up here earlier, recorded this woman. Sir, you can't get your stuff online, man. Do you realize what you're doing right now? Keep on digging.
Okay. So, but let me ask you this. You want to see your stuff.
I want to see. I want to see that it has been filed, and the picture I put also were filed with the judge, so he can see this. I filed 5 motions. I want to see when my responses come. I want to know everything, second by second, right now, because y'all are some dirty players. You're live.
Okay, I mean, I'm just.
You want to laugh at me? Know what Brittany I've been trying to do to me?
I'm trying to understand what your.
I just called up here. She would not let. She said I can't access my stuff on my computer. She said I have to come up here physically and get on this computer. No, that's federal law. No.
But we're state.
It doesn't matter. Federal rights law. We are supposed to be able to see all of our documentation.
You can see it if you.
Why not? I got to come up here.
Because your information is not online.
I didn't give you my social security. Neither is it over there. But I can see every document I file in the federal courthouse.
Did you have a warrant that was you? You
I'm-
have a case in this court.
Oh yeah,
Well,
yeah.
your social security number is on that warrant.
It is on there, but they don't put it online. They know how to mark things out.
That's why she told you have to come out here.
No, then show me. You walk me through the process,
Okay, well,
and I want to be able to see every file that I filed.
Okay, when he gets off the computer.
I want to see a copy of what I filed, and I want to see it matches that same thing online.
Okay, let's look. He's getting ready to leave, so let's look at it, okay? Can somebody let me back in with? Yeah.
I never thought I would be this guy I am right now.
Okay, I mean, I'm sorry, but.
No, you aren't.
I didn't think I would be the girl I am either, but.
Yeah, well, you know, I would
you
never
are.
throw people under the bus. I don't do people dirty. I live right by people.
What is your last name?
Robinson.
First
Josh.
Josh or Joshua?
Joshua.
Okay, Josh, let's see.
And there are his case numbers if you want them.
Okay. You can have a seat.
No, I'm good.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay, Josh, these are civil.
Where's my family?
Hold on.
Everybody want to act like they don't know who I am.
Well, I don't. 'Cause
Oh,
I've
you know
never
who
met
I
you.
am.
I've never met you before.
Oh, well, you know me.
I'm so sorry that we have had to meet like this, but I've never.
You can thank Brittany Scott. Her corruption.
Okay, so let's see here. Actions. All right. So which motion? Motion concerning evidence, right?
Yes.
Okay. See this little icon right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's your motion.
Where are my documents? Where are the pictures? Okay. So why is that
That's
blackened out? Why didn't no one say, hey, Josh, this is blackened out. You might want to lighten that. Look at that. Look at that right there.
Because when we scan
It doesn't matter. You looked at that when it was filed in the system. Everybody, look at this right here. How it's solid black. That's wording.
Okay, but when y'all look at this,
But when the judge is gonna look at that.
When the judge sees it, he's gonna see the original. You can't. When we scan it in, it's gonna be black.
I got the original.
He has he has what, you said you filed it here?
Yeah, they give me originals back. I have color on them.
So is this not what you filed?
Yeah, but you can't see it right there. How are
Okay,
people, so how are people supposed to see what's going on online right now? Not just the judge, everybody.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying right now?
I completely
I'm facing
understand.
20 years in prison because of a cop committing a felony in Greer who's no longer in law enforcement, who's screwing my wife. 2 months ago, I found the video footage. I filed the Freedom of Information Act. I'm still sitting here with an ankle monitor on. They're trying to run me through the system. And look at this right here.
Okay, so the public can't see this.
The public is allowed to see this.
Okay, the same way you're videoing me, you can video it and put it out there for the public to see as well.
Yeah.
Okay?
This
But
is public information. These documents are public.
it is, but general sessions do not allow us to put stuff on the public index. That is a rule from Court Administrator, the South Carolina Supreme Court.
Why
Has
does a
nothing to
man
do
have to
with
come up here
us.
500 times? You know how many times they told me I can't file
But why
evidence?
are you coming up here if they've already told you it's online?
They told me I can't file evidence with the clerk of court standing right at this window recording that woman, not realizing the GoPro was in my pocket. Months ago, and then Brittany Scott serves me for trial when I've had 2 months where I couldn't do nothing.
Okay, it's here. You have to, I'm sorry. I am sorry, but you have to come up here and see it. We cannot put your stuff on the public index.
Well, can you
We
print
can't.
everything off and show me the number that was stamped on this? Can you show me that it is online? I want to just make sure everything matches. Because the situation this morning, I called up here, this woman said I can't access, but she said I can't access
You
nothing.
can't access it from your home or from the or any public. You have to come here. We're not. We have
No,
to.
she said I can't even access motion, even to look at the motion period.
Not at home. You can't.
I can see, why?
Because everybody's not like you, sir.
What if somebody don't have
Everybody-
computers?
There are
I mean, what if
people
somebody don't have cars?
There are defendants out there that
They don't have vehicles, so they're not able to make
do not
it.
want their social security numbers published.
But what about people who can't come up here? What about those people who don't have ways of transportation? They can't, so they have to suffer and go to prison because they weren't able to defend
Do
themselves?
you have an attorney?
No, they all colluded.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a big ball game.
Well, I tell you, those people who can't come up here have attorneys.
But court appointed, oh yeah, dude, look at my story. Just give me everything I've requested, please. And how long is it till the judge responds?
Oh, that I don't know. We don't.
Well, I got trial coming up on the
we don't
next
set the
15th.
motion.
All right,
You have to get the.
I'll look at law.
You have to talk to Brittany Scott or whoever.
But they ignored me for months. They haven't taken any of my phone calls, got nonstop calls, nonstop recordings.
Mm-hmm.
This has been a game to just run this through.
I don't think it's been
It's
a
a game.
game, sir.
Oh, I have evidence of Brittany
honestly-
Scott hiding evidence. I have everything.
Oh.
Everything I've claimed in here, I have right now.
Okay.
So if you want to read through those motions,
So what do you want me to give you
I just want to
right
make sure I
now?
have a printout of every motion I filed, and I want a picture of it filed in the system. A screenshot.
I just showed you that
I
it
want a
was-
screenshot for my files.
I just showed you
I
that.
want a screenshot for my files.
I can't do.
You could delete it
I
right
just showed you
now. That
that.
doesn't matter nothing because they pull it from my home.
I can't do that. I can give you a copy, but I can't do that. Can you let me in, please?
Wow, really?
Yes,
So you
really.
can delete out the system, right?
Why would I delete your stuff?
I have Pickens change a different date of when I was arrested right now on their system. Backtrack dates for DSS so they could falsify an investigation.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is,
Well,
I'm
don't
gonna
put-
give you a copy
Don't trust these people,
of
bro.
your motion with the clock date. All I have.
Man, I never thought I would be walking around talking to people like
And
this,
you-
acting like
Then
this.
you don't have to.
Oh, I do.
This is because you refuse to get an attorney.
No, I refuse. I had five. David,
You're talking to them, talk to me.
oh no, it was when I found.
I understand.
Oh yeah, okay, we'll go through my situation.
Deal with you because
So them not taking evidence for 2 months.
you don't want to listen, and you.
What about the 2 months I tried to turn in evidence?
Listen to what we're saying.
What about 2 months ago when I was in here trying to file evidence?
Present those evidence in.
What about, I was trying to write things to the judge
Those evidence
in
right
court.
now. That's what you go to court. You have the right to any evidence you want.
The judge can dismiss it if he feels it doesn't relate to the,
I'm sorry,
see,
that's all I can do.
look at that.
That's all
See,
I
she won't tell everything, not realize I know law. See, the judge is not related to the case.
can do. But I'm
He can easily deny it in the courtroom.
Yes, he can, and that's his right.
That's why you file it and you show him it probably cause to go through the situation. Part of that. That's why you got to be in for court. Disappeared. It's like it's a game.
You said you had 7 motions?
5.
5.
Top for each one.
Want a separate one?
I want each one to have their own printout of the motion top. You realize I pulled this cop's Vazcam footage committing a felony, falsifying criminal domestic violence risk assessment report completely. He was screwing my ex. He's no longer in law enforcement. That's why I'm in this situation. And I don't have to be upset.
Well, sir, I think you're being upset at the wrong.
Now, when I came in here 2 months ago to file,
I say you're being upset at the wrong people.
how you handle the phones though are completely different.
We're just a record office. We don't. There is.
But I have to come up here. If
says-
y'all would transfer me to somebody, and then that person won't answer.
And what she told you is correct.
No, it's not.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you experienced what you're experiencing.
No, you're
there's
not.
Nothing to do about that.
Oh no, I can't imagine many others who've been buried for no reason. Can you write in signature stating that they have?
Print you what we have in the
All right. Well, I need your signature stating that they've all been filed. I need signature from somebody stating that these have been filed in the system. So you're not going to sign stating that they've been filed in the system?
I don't do that for anybody else, and I'm not going to do it for you.
So who's supposed to give me the signature so I can make sure?
Nobody has to give you a signature. We're a records office.
Okay, so I need to go to the front.
What you have is what the judge is going to have.
Okay, well, I'm going to just make sure he sees it.
That's fine.
Y'all good?
I'm good. You good?
I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mr. Robinson.
Ma'am.
Did you not get a copy of the order where the judge said that we do not have to talk?
No, ma'am. What?
Okay, well, we'll give you a copy of that too.
What? So you ignore me and don't tell me that?
Because these officers are here just because of the way you've been discussed.
Have I ever threatened you?
Yes, you have.
I've threatened you? How have I threatened you?
Yes, you have.
What did I say?
Yes, you have.
You're live right now, so how have I threatened you?
Don't tell me that that doesn't.
Okay, I'm just saying, so people like this don't run up on me and try to hurt me.
How have I tried to hurt you?
Well, why are you coming here bothering me?
Because they called, because you're here.
But I'm
Yeah,
Exactly.
my rights are violated tremendously.
Well, that's for you to take up in court, not for you to take up with the clerk of court.
I'm at home sitting on my couch trying to communicate this over the phone, and no one will communicate. So I have to come up here.
Evidently, she has a copy of a judge's order that says you cannot communicate with them in some manner of. I don't know. That's what she just said.
I've
So
never heard that.
we're gonna wait and find out what that order says.
Yeah, because I've not seen no order.
Okay.
They said don't communicate with Scott.
Don't find. Pull up.
Here trying to throw me.
Did I say I was gonna put you?
Well,
in
why are
jail?
you trying to threaten me about an order? No one's.
No. All I'm
If
telling
someone
you-
told me to not come up here, I wouldn't come up here.
Look, take your voice down here.
My daughter's gone. I know
Look,
y'all
look,
don't.
look. I don't know about your case or anything.
All right.
Because they me and we're gonna go from there.
When
Signed. The order was evidently signed by the judge.
Well, up here,
I said in your letter, and the judge ordered you.
they said the clerk court, man.
Well, we're gonna
What are
find.
you talking about?
We're gonna find
Are
out.
you trying to throw me under a bus, dude? Right now?
No. We're gonna.
Was it rape? I didn't sign the order.
You didn't sign.
Man,
Judge
you're not going to
signed.
sit here and do this to me.
I'm not doing anything to you. I'm telling you, stand right there. Wait, so we.
I need to leave, but you're not going to throw me in jail.
I said I was gonna down again. That's the second time you said that. All right, read what she highlighted.
I'm gonna get him a copy of his motions and.
When did I get? Well, I've never been shown this, man. Never seen this.
I read. Thank you. I'm gonna give it back to you.
Sit there and come at me like this, man. My children are gone. I've never seen this.
Well, look, I'm gonna read this aloud.
Have I been? I'll sign this.
You don't have to sign it.
Man, you're not
Look,
going to. I'm.
I'm gonna tell this. Come here.
No, dude, no. You're not going to. This is wrong. This is wrong.
No.
You ought to do this to me, man.
So you don't want me to read you the judge. This is a signed judge.
Come in here if I was told not to do that.
It says the defendant, that's you, shall not engage in any communication.
No one's
written,
read this to
verbal,
me.
with
I've not been
any
seeing it.
solicitor or staff,
He did not.
clerk's office, or any court
said,
staff
"Brittany,
which
stop."
is deemed by the court appropriate.
I'm not threatening.
In nature.
How have I threatened anybody? How have I threatened?
Your current attitude and behavior
Threatening is a threat.
threatening.
That is
See,
not- that's not a
listen,
threat.
Listen. Your current attitude and behavior is threatening. That's why they call us up here.
It's of California states. I can speak how I want to speak because I'm from where I'm from.
We're in South
It
Carolina.
doesn't matter. This is federal law.
South Carolina.
Of California. It's federal.
You cannot come in here raising your voice,
I'm not yelling at
intimidating
nobody.
these ladies.
I would not
in any
dare
way.
intimidate a
You're
woman,
doing
man.
it right now.
No, I'm not. But it states that.
You are in Greenville, South Carolina.
A federal courthouse is right there.
We'll take it across the street to the federal courthouse and see if you can get this order. Law, federal across the street.
This is
This
Coheed.
county courthouse. This is county courthouse.